declining, yes, you should be declining. Like if you taking orders that look like this, you should be declining. Your payout should be double what your mileage is. Yes, sir. Take that motherfucker down to the ground. You in Wisconsin? Okay. Shout out to Wisconsin. Drop your city and your state so you can get that shout out. Shout out from Victoriaville, California. Okay. Chaser. It can be disgusting. It can be. I'm surprised they sent me so many orders today. It's gotta be only because it's Friday. No, sir. You should be declining orders like this. Somebody said I'm new. I be accepting everything. You should be declining these. Yep, I got a drunken fish over here too. Shout out to South Carolina. Shout out to Chicago. Shout out to Gabriel. You better believe it. Live streams coming soon. James doing earn by time to raise his AR, and it probably ain't worth it, but it's something. I do earn by time too. You working in Town and Country? Okay. I might have to come check out Town and Country. That's a great market. Town and Country, Ladue, Frontenac, all that. If you accepting every single order and they look like this, slap yourself. Slap yourself. Take that motherfucker down. Let's go. I'm right here by Planet Fitness. That's Planet Fitness right there. Another greedy. P1 Chani. Put a tip on that order. I'll make a sandwich. Better yet, just finish school. Do that. I'm asking too much of you. Finish school first. A little Ladue will do. I heard that. Earn by time does not increase your acceptance rating. That's not true. Yes, it does. It definitely does. In my area, Doordash is clown, Uber is king. My town usually average $4 to $9, but haven't taken anything over 6 miles. I tried trading options a few times, and I won't say that I had success or failure because I didn't make or lose money, but I didn't put enough research into the information behind the options trading to know exactly what I'm doing and what's going on, what's a good play. So there's still a lot to be learned there. Tell me this is a navigation problem. A navigation application, I'll tell you which is considered the best navigation application in Russia. I don't give a fuck about what's going on in Russia. I don't care what the best anything is in Russia because that shit has no effect on my life. What? What the hell? So now Walmart Spark want us to deliver crickets and shit? They tripping. $15 for 23 miles. These people is stupid. Fuck being a clown. These people straight up stupid. Ain't nobody bringing you that shit. You can now accept orders containing live bait. Live bait like night crawlers and red worms are often used for fishing. Live bait orders should be bagged separately from all food items with no shit to ensure food safety and prevent cross contamination. So Walmart, Walmart is so funny. Walmart is finna have us bagging up groceries, chemicals, and everything else. And now they want you to pick up crickets and red worms. And oh, by the way, make sure you separate it from the food that you picking up. They should have put this shit in Spanish for all the illegal immigrants they got picking up the damn shopping orders. They should have put it in Spanish because they're gonna be the ones putting the live crickets and the red worms right on top of the damn produce. Silly ass. Walmart is dumb. They be on one. Yeah, like who? Oh yeah, so you go to the grocery side, then go to the home, the health side. Maybe you get some electronics, but don't forget to stop and grab them crickets on your way out. Silly ass, dumbass, extra dumbass. Don't even think. They like, oh, people buying crickets? Well, I guess we delivering crickets.